Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds. My name is Akshay sir, and now we will be discussing about this question. This question was asked in JEE Mains, which was conducted on the 4th of April 2024 in the shift 1. Okay, so just read the question. So the question, they are saying that, so there is a soap bubble of initially the diameter of which was 7 centimeter. Okay, and we have given this much amount of energy to blow it, meaning we have increased its radius, right? Yeah, and the surface tension of that soap solution is this much. Okay, so they are asking what is that new radius. Okay, so yeah, so when we see all these questions, naturally the formula that comes to our mind, which involves energy, surface tension and area, right? So that formula is this. It will be U is equal to SA, where U is the energy, S being the surface tension, A being the area. Okay. Now they're asking about the change in everything, right? So therefore we get this, right? S being the constant, S is surface tension. Okay. So let's write down the information then. So delta U that we know is this much. Everything is in CGS units, right? Okay. And S is given as 40. Okay, everything is in CGS. I'm not writing the units. Now, when it comes to writing this delta A, okay, we will, because it's a bubble, we will be like, it will be a sphere. Okay, so the area that becomes 4 pi, and because the radius has increased, right, it's going to be R final square minus R initial square. Okay, so that is the thing. And we know that now we can put the values. So if I put the values, it will be 36960 is equal to 40 into 4 pi, pi being 22 by 7. So maybe let me write it down. 22 by 7 into RF square minus RI was given. So this is 7 centimeter being the diameter. So the radius is going to be 7 by 2 centimeters, the whole square. Okay. So now everything is known. This 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 is also known. This is the only thing to be calculated, and we can. It's easy to do, right? So when we do all that, it turns out that RF is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. So that's it. There is a solution. Thank you.